Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a brand new Scout 2024 model. This is the 195 Sportfish. Beautiful Scout, guys. This has the white, Scout white hull side color with the white rub rail with stainless insert. This boat is powered with the Yamaha 115. Comes with the stainless prop. As you can see, a nice swim ladder back here on the transom for easy boarding. Climb aboard and show you some more. Looking at the helm, you'll see this boat's equipped with the Fusion stereo, which has 4 speakers. Nice open dash here to add any unit you like. Compass up on the top of the helm, and 2 electronic Yamaha gauges. Full tilt on the steering wheel with a steering knob, nice cup holders, and a glove box down below for your wallet and cell phone. Taking a look at the helm seat, you'll see it's got a 30-gallon live well, painted blue, which helps protect your fish. Removable backrest for more cup holders. Back here you have 2 jump seats, nice big open cockpit. Walking towards the bow, you'll see this does have the full cushion package, perfect for laying out, extra seating, with grab bars on each side. And right up front you'll see a 70-quart igloo cooler, perfect for all your beverages and daytime provisions. For more information, please stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom or give us a call. Thank you for taking a look at this video, and have a great day.